Are you using AI tools to spice up your writing or design your next bestseller? Hold on. Amazon KDP has new rules that could make or break your publishing dreams. Stick around because you want to get everything right. Hey fellow authors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, an indie publisher and author, here to guide you through the self-publishing world and help you become a published author. The topic that's generating a lot of buzz today is AI-generated content on Amazon KDP. So let's get started. So what does Amazon KDP mean by AI-generated content? This is important because it affects what you can and cannot publish. The content we're discussing surrounds text, images, and translation. If you use an AI to create book covers, translate your book into another language, or write passages, these fall under AI-generated content. If you've used an AI tool to create any part of your book, a chapter, a poem, that's considered AI-generated. So you can't use an AI tool to draft something quickly, then edit it and claim it as solely human created. The AI role must be disclosed. Now with substantial edits. This is a gray area that many think they can exploit. You might think, well, what if I use AI to draft the content but edit it thoroughly afterwards? Doesn't that make it human content? Well, the answer is no. According to KDP's guidelines, even if you make substantial edits, they still consider the content AI generated. The main point to remember is to exercise transparency and caution when integrating AI into your publishing process. Even minor uses can categorize your work as AI generated, which comes with its own set of rules and regulations. So basically now, when you go to upload your book, when it comes time to put in your ISBN, your actual book, and the cover, it's going to ask you if any part of it was AI generated. It's a simple yes or no. If you say yes, it will drop down and then it goes by degrees. Is it AI generated with no changes, some changes, major changes? Depending on how much of a change you've made will determine which one you would click on. Got it? Let's move on and talk about AI assisted content. This critical distinction can determine if you must disclose the use of AI in your work, which may have a massive impact. It's important to note that you, as a human, must produce the majority of the creative work, whether it's text or images. We're talking about original work here, not something churned out by AI and then lightly touched up by you. KDP does allow AI tools for editing, refining, and error checking. Using AI software like Pro Writing Aid, Grammarly, Hemingway, etc. is acceptable to improve your novel's grammar and sentence structure. This falls under AI assisted. But what if you use AI tools to help brainstorm ideas or plot points? As long as the final text or images are created by you, this use of AI also counts as AI assisted. It's like having a super smart brainstorming buddy who's a computer. With that, this is where many authors will sigh a sigh of relief. If your content is AI assisted, Amazon states that you do not need to inform them of using AI tools or processes. Your work is treated the same as any content created by humans with no special labeling required. Generally, no distinct disclosure is necessary if you are the content's primary creator and use AI tools to assist in the creative or refinement process. But remember, The moment the AI tool crosses over from being an assistant to generating the actual content, you're in AI-generated territory and different rules apply. Whether you're using AI to generate or assist you in your work, the buck stops with you. You are responsible for ensuring that the content meets Amazon's guidelines. It's like being the editor-in-chief for your AI co-writer. One thing to be very aware of is copyright infringement. AI tools often use existing data to create content. For example, an AI writing tool might produce a sentence identical to a copyrighted book or movie line. You are responsible for ensuring that doesn't happen. According to Amazon, you must review and edit any AI tool output. You need to do more than just take what the AI gives you and publish it directly. You need to scrutinize it for any potential issues, whether legal, like copyright, or quality-related incoherence or relevance. Given that it's your responsibility to verify content, you might ask, how do I do that? Well, this could involve multiple stages. First, read through the content to catch glaring errors or possible copyright issues. Second, consider using plagiarism detection tools to ensure that there are no unintentional duplication that may have occurred. Third, always be aware of your AI tool's source data. If the database itself is flawed or unreliable, that'll reflect in the content generated. Using AI in your creative process is not a set and forget type of thing. It would be best to remain actively involved in the process, treating the AI as a tool that assists but not replace your judgment and responsibility. Remember, the journey of 1,000 pages begins with a single word. So keep writing, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video.